Hi, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. We're going to be talking about September market activity for this report. It's going to be pretty quick. We're going to talk about activity, market time, inventory, and some pricing. So let's go ahead and roll into that right now. Okay, so the month of September actually showed a little bit more cooling in the market. This has been an overall trend that we've seen for the last few months. Basically, covering market activity, we're going to talk about new listings, pending sales, and closed sales. That gives us a little bit idea about the temperature of the market. So new listings compared to the year before in September, they're actually down slightly. It's about 0.0 or 0.8%. And then you have compared to the previous month, they're actually down a total of 10%, which is pretty significant. And then you also have pending sales compared to 2016 of September. Those are also down 5.8%. And then if you're comparing them to just the prior month, August, they're down 12.3%. So as you can see, new listings, pending sales down. And then when we look at closed sales compared to the year before this time, they're also down 4.4%. And then compared to the prior month, they're down 11.1%. So again, this is just a trend that we're seeing kind of across the board where activity is really starting to slow down overall. Now, that's somewhat normal because we're going into fall and winter, so you do tend to see that. But when you're comparing them to the year before, that's really what you want to look at, and that's kind of the indicator that things are starting to cool. Now, in terms of market time, we also saw our market time rose up a little bit. It's now 37 days. You also have inventory crept up a little bit too. So from the August report at 2 months, September's moved to 2.3 months. And then also price increases, those have also continued. So despite the slowdown of the market and some of the increase in inventory, if you're comparing pricing to last year, or at least the last 12 months, the average sale price is up roughly 9%, so 9.2%. And then you're also seeing the median price has also risen roughly 10%. So overall, the pricing is remaining strong. Inventory is starting to bump up a little bit. You're kind of seeing a little bit more balance in the market, but that's really what happened in September. If you have any questions about the market, you want to talk to us about maybe buying a property or a rental, feel free to reach out. We'd love to help you. Thanks for tuning in.